In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a user to a Google Ads account. If you manage campaigns with teammates, clients, or an outside partner, giving the right people access keeps work moving while protecting your account. First, open your browser and go to Google Ads at ads.google.com. Then sign into the account that owns the Google Ads profile you want to share. You'll need to be an administrator on that account to add other users. If you have multiple accounts, double-check that you're in the correct one before continuing. Next, look to the top navigation bar and open Settings. Depending on your layout, this may appear as a gear or under the Tools and Settings menu. From there, choose Access and Security. This is the area where you manage who can see and do what inside your Google Ads account. On the Access and Security page, find the plus icon to add a new user and click it. This opens a small panel where you can enter details for the person you're inviting. Type the email address of the person you want to add. For best results, use an email tied to a Google account so the invite can be accepted without issues. Right here, you'll also choose the appropriate access level. Admin can manage everything. Standard can work on campaigns without changing users or billing. Read-only can view data without making edits, and email only receives notifications. Pick the least amount of access they need to do their job. You can always adjust it later. After you confirm the details, Google Ads sends an invitation to that email address. The new user will show as pending until they accept. If they don't see the invite, ask them to check spam or try another Google-compatible email. Once accepted, their status updates automatically, and they can sign into your account with the permissions you set. A few quick best practices to wrap up. Review access regularly and remove anyone who no longer needs it. Keep billing and admin privileges limited to trusted team members. And if you work with an agency, consider using a manager account connection instead of sharing admin rights broadly. That's it. Simple, secure, and fast. Now you know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to choose the right access so your team can collaborate confidently inside Google Ads.